In this video, we are looking at an amazing cabin in Miami-Dade, Florida, and this is a rental cabin. From the front wall of glass, it's almost impossible to tell this amazing cabin is built from a shipping container. Save for the corner castings. If you are keen enough, you can see the corner castings and these two holes for the forklift on the front edge, on the lower beam of this shipping container. So if you are to look at the listing photos of this amazing rental, I think is a rental cabin. So let's see what we have right here. So that's the general frontage. We have this nice paved frontage leading to the cabin. I like this nice double glass door. Getting inside, the cabin is well appointed. A nice living space. It's a studio space arrangement. You can see the bed right there. There's a lounge seat. We have some nice wall hanging art right there. There's a closer view of the bed. There's a dressing mirror right there. Yeah, I like this wall of glass. It just fills the space. It drenches the space with natural lighting, making the space look bigger and brighter, complemented with the white walls and partitions throughout the cabin. Another view of the living space, the show of the kitchen right there. Another view. Yeah, I like the choice of colors. The white and off-white colors, very nice. They make the space feel big and spacious. The granite countertops for this kitchenette, good storage cabinets. Yeah, nice bathroom. I love it. Very well done. The small shower cubicle right there. This is a wash hand basin. There's a toilet. Yeah, and a sizable bathroom mirror right there. Yeah, we have that shower curtain. I think I like it. Very well done. There's an aerial view of the outdoor space. Nice outdoor sitting space. Just big enough for this kind of space. Yeah, another view right there. Yeah, another view from the front. Another view from the front. Yeah, very well done, nicely appointed. And what do you think? Give me your opinion. Share in the comment section below, and tell us, would you rent this amazing cabin? And if not, also tell us why not. Yeah, for me, I like it. I would like to hear and also maybe get your opinion on the same. So other than what I've said, what else don't you like about this cabin? For me, I feel it is well done. I like everything about it. They've made good use of the space. Open plan arrangement for the living room space is very well done. I like it. So you give us your opinion so that we can discuss in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.